Hey guys, welcome to the part 2 of painting facial features. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw and paint realistic nose. If you are using a reference, you would want to see the various angles that create nose to look like that. The shape of the nose will change with the change in the direction of the face. So in this reference, it appears to be around 60 degrees, and again it is the same, but this one is front facing, so it's at 90 degrees. So I'll quickly show you how to draw a nose. So you would want to break down the shape of the ball and nostrils. There is a big ball in the center, and then there are two small circles on the sides. So kind of sketch them very lightly. Everyone's nose is different. Some people have small bone in the center, some have a wider side nose. So always start light, pull the pencil from behind, and now I'm just going a little more dark and shading a bit, and this has started to look like a nose. Now I'm going to painting. I'll paint dark to light. So as I did in painting features part 1, the same principle applies here. Things that recede are done with cools and other with warms. If you missed part 1 of this series, go watch it to understand this concept better. So I'm starting with a cool color and painting a bit loose, just trying to be a bit expressive here. So usually, a shadow is cool and a highlight is warm, but sometimes it is vice versa. Sometimes shadows are warm and sometimes highlights are even cool. So it's about just the folds of the feature and putting cools in those spots and putting warms on the areas that you want to pop out. So warms will go on the tip of the nose as it comes forward. So I worked dark to light and added some dark colors underneath so that they blend well with the colors on the top. To understand the inner shapes and forms, it is important to draw and practice these features. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon as part 3 of this series will be up soon, so don't miss it. Okay, so now time for the highlights. I have mixed titanium white with pale yellow and just putting it right there, not blending it too much. So it's done. I hope you are enjoying these facial features series. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.